sense of, questioning and testing. That's always a good thing. As far as trusting it, it's really kind of garbage in, garbage out. If you are asking it very specific questions, and if you can ask it for resources, and you can ask the AI bots, where did you get this information? Can you give me some resources? And then test those resources, see if they're correct. There are some changes coming in a lot of the different platforms. I know that Gemini through Google has already started doing this, where if you ask it a question, and Bing as well, Microsoft's chatbot, if you ask it a question, at the end, it will give you all of the links that go to the resources for where it found the information. So I think, looking at solid resources, just like we would in any web search, that's always a good strategy to hang on to. So there is a little bit, AI doesn't do all of your work for you. It is a shortcut. You are still in control of the final output.
Okay, that's great. Now, if there is somebody who is kind of on the fence about attending this year,
Mhm.
why would you encourage them to sign up and come and check out your course?
Uh, you know, Talking with actual live human beings is so much fun, and sharing ideas back and forth, feeling the energy in a group where you're exploring these ideas together, and you can share your frustrations or your concerns, and then other people can share their successes and what they're excited about. And I think you kind of catch that excitement. You tend to you can make friends. You can find people who are doing similar things. You can share a lot of ideas. You don't get that all the time in, say, like an online community like Reddit, or something like, or even, some of the other sites that are out there. Really just coming in and talking to real human beings in the era of AI is a wonderful thing, and something we should all continue to do. Just that this is a rapidly changing field, so everything we talk about this year will likely be overshadowed by new news about AI in the weeks and months to follow. But it's good to have a baseline understanding of what's going on with AI so that you can appreciate the changes that are coming in the future.